Hi Aquarians, welcome to my channel. This is a general tarot reading for the week of 26th of April to 2nd of May. Please keep in mind these are general readings and might not resonate with each one of you. Also, if you like what I do, do subscribe to my channel and I'll be putting out the monthly ones very soon. Let me shuffle one more time. Yes. So, okay, Aquarians, what you don't see is the change in the air very soon. So yes, you are again. You have. I think you have been going through a very tough time mentally for past couple of months. But you are in a very uh, at a stage where you have achieved at least materialistically some of it. But you are indecisive because you are really burdened about something which you're not able to decide, which you're not able to see where it goes and where will it go. You are really in, right now in somewhere half of the things that you've achieved, you are not as bad mentally, but yes, you are still not very peaceful because of some decision that you're not made yet. Let's see what the major arcana card says. The Fool. Yes. So bottom of the deck was the Wheel of Fortune and the Fool. So things will quickly take a turn for good, but be aware of somebody who's who's not very mature around you, who's also be wary of taking quick decisions because of just wanting this off your shoulders. Don't be quick to quick into jumping conclusions also. Because I know you're in an energy where you really want something to be done with, but don't just for the sake of getting it off your shoulder, jump on conclusion, decide. I think don't do that. That's not the energy you want to be in going forward. For those of you who are looking for love, let's see what love messages are for you. You're being watched by loving eyes. See me in their eyes. Lots of things about their eyes. I mean, you'll be I think meeting this person very often, maybe in your workplace. I go wherever you go, like I said. For some of you or most of you, it's a very common area, whether you are studying together, where you're working together, and you meet quite often. You don't know, or maybe you know about them, but I think they are around you, and you really meet them. But I think it's time that you open up, and then you take it slightly forward than that, because this person is really into you, whosoever it is around you. And it's definitely a place where you see them a lot, where you meet a lot. It's very clear. Let's see one more message from the universe. Instead of praying for an outcome, I pray for the highest good of all. So, what the message for you is, because you are indecisive on something, don't look for the outcome. Don't look for, or don't expect the outcome to be in a certain way. Be open to, the universe giving you surprises, good surprises, but don't be, quite stuck on how things should be as per you, because you don't know what better can universe really give you, because we have a certain limited view of things, and we really don't know what all best we deserve or we can get, right? So the best we can do is be open to whatever surprises universe has for us. Let's see how you can handle the situation. How can Aquarians handle the situation? Welfare work. So to the times that are going on, I think it's pray for the highest good of all and the welfare work. I think Lord is asking you to think about others. to help as much people as you can, even if social media, if it's even if it's sharing numbers of hospitals, whatever you can do, staying in your power or staying at home, or whatever you can do as per your means. Help people, help those around you, think of those around you, to the least. This is your Lord's message for you for this week. If you like what I do, subscribe to my channel, and I'll meet you next week. And do subscribe to my channel, please. Bye bye.